Ever wondered about the benefits of having your own medicinal garden? Picture a sanctuary rooted in ancient practices where healing plants and herbs flourish. These gardens, once cornerstones of traditional medicine, are blossoming anew in our modern world. With a medicinal garden, you have natural remedies at your fingertips, potentially saving on costly medical bills. And let's not forget the sheer joy of nurturing these plants. Imagine having a living pharmacy in your backyard where you can pluck remedies right off the vine. So, what are the benefits of having a medicinal garden? Well, the advantages are as diverse as the plants you can grow. Picture this. You're able to treat common ailments right at home with remedies you've grown yourself. Imagine having the power to soothe a headache, ease a stomach upset, or even alleviate stress, all with the fruits of your own garden. But it doesn't stop there. A medicinal garden serves as a learning hub where you can delve into the world of natural remedies, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of Mother Nature's pharmacy. Plus, growing your own remedies can help reduce reliance on over-the-counter drugs, promoting a healthier, more organic lifestyle. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. Growing your own medicinal plants contributes to a greener planet. And the best part? You can grow one yourself. Growing a medicinal garden might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Start by identifying common ailments in your household. This could be anything from headaches to digestive issues. Then, select plants that can help alleviate these issues. Next, focus on quality soil. The healthier the soil, the healthier your plants will be. Now let's talk about sunlight. Most medicinal plants need full sun exposure, so choose a spot in your garden that gets plenty of light. Finally, plant your seeds or young plants according to their specific needs and nurture them with regular watering and care. Remember, patience is key. So why not take charge of your health and start growing your medicinal garden today? It's a natural, cost-effective solution right at your fingertips.